is Fatima Lumakan.
Hi, my name is Saika Banda.
And I'm Lilibet Arayo.
And I'm Katia Bianca Gisoronio.
And I am Kara Eliel Tundaan, and we are going to present the scenario of 1 and 28.
Wait, I need to
Who is Kathleen Soronio? Your next mom.
Katia Soronio, right? Yes, mom. And how are you? I'm okay, mom, but I'm nervous. It's okay. And this won't take long time. And how would you like me to address you? Just okay, mom. Alright. So you're applying for customer service representative, correct? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So to start, tell me about yourself.
My mom, I'm a Bianca Gisoronio. I am 23 years old and I live in the I am a graduate of Business Administration, major in Financial Management. That's everyone.
What does customer service mean to you?
To me, mom, good customer service means making sure customers are happy. It's about listening to them, solving their problem, and being friendly and helpful. Thank you, mom.
Congratulations! Welcome!
Welcome to the company. Please be seated.
Wait for your manager, so we'll be here in a minute.
Good morning, everyone. I am Lilibet Ayok and I am your manager. Welcome to ABC Company.
This certificate is awarded to Ms. Kathleen Soronio for Best Customer Service Representative in Quarter 1 of this year.
Congratulations.